Hi, this is Asta Tripathi from Efficient Manufacturing Max. We are here live at India MedTech 2025 Expo. We have with us Mr. Sheetan from Silmates. Thank you very much for taking your time with us. The first thing I would like to know and let our audience know, what kind of services do you provide?
Okay, so Silmates is a basically R&D service provider company, and what we are doing here is providing end-to-end R&D solutions. Like customer is having some ideas in their mind, they want to develop some medical equipments, and it is today's need because everybody was trading and it was easy at the time. But fortunately, due to this Make in India project or this kind of stuff, everybody now has to develop their own products. Unfortunately, R&D is not kind of thing that you can develop in a months or years. It takes too much of patience, it takes too much of knowledge, too much of expertise in different areas. So majorly small and medium scale companies suffer in developing their capabilities in-house. So we are coming up with some solutions where we are engaging with medium scale, small scale or startup kind of companies, where we can share our more than 25 years of experience and develop a product for them, and so that they could easily reach to market, and products started for manufacturing within India, right? So that's our main goal. And fortunately, government is also looking for this since last 4-5 years at least, and there are good opportunity for every manufacturer as well, and there are need of some even more than this kind of company who provides some R&D services.
What are the different types of customers that you have?
We do have so currently we serve more than 10 customers, and there we develop some of the products like ICU products like patient monitor, ECGs, vital sign, and some respiratory equipments, ventilators, humidifiers. So they were trading before this, but now they have to manufacture or develop their own product. Their own capability has to be there to be competitive in market, to be having capabilities to meet up the requirements of Indian clients. So this way they approaches to us, we approaches to them and offer our services. They come up with their needs and we provide our solutions.
Is there any recent technology that you have incorporated in?
Yeah, this is here you can see behind me. It is open prototype of patient monitor. It is fully developed from scratch within our premises, and it is ready to launch. Maybe in 1 or 2 months it would be ready for the market. So yeah, we have successfully delivered few projects, because we are also a 3-year-old company. So we are startup, but currently we are having capability of around 50 people in our team. So mechanical, electrical, electronics, software, firmware, all type of team members we have within that, and we are also engaging with regulatory bodies for their regulatory needs. So this way we could provide end-to-end solution to customers. The customer just comes with idea and they get the fully working product and just ready to manufacture and market. So this way, we have to make in India and made in India, right? So we are towards.
Does align with the Make in India?
Yeah, definitely.
That was all from my side. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.